Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een. Welcome back. We're in ayah number 134 of Surat al Baqarah. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تلك أمة. Now we have tilka here, pretty straightforward. Ummatun. The meme there is what is called a meme of ghunna. You're going to hold it and do that slight nasal vibration or hold. Tilka. So tilka ummatun. Ummatun, like that. And then the tun, because it's tanween, meaning dammatain, followed by a qaf, is one of the letters that brings about ikhfa. That's right. Tilka ummatun qad khalat. Qad khalat. Again, this is very beginner video. You want to read with an actual live qari of the Quran for perfection. So I'm not going that deep in it, but just as a recognition of these rules. Tilka ummatun qad khalat. Qad khalat. Laha ma kasabat. Walakum ma. Mim there. So this should be straightforward, right? قد خلت, and then you had لها ما كسبت ولكم meme doesn't have anything, it's a sukoon because it joins, right? It's called idgham when it assimilates and joins, right? ولكم ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم وَلَكُمْ مَا كَسَبْ. The ba is qalqala. كَسَبْتُمْ, not كَسَبْتُمْ. كَسَبْتُمْ, slight doubling, right? Almost doubling. وَلَكُمْ مَا كَسَبْتُمْ وَلَا تُسْأَلُونَ وَلَا تُسْأَلُونَ. This is a hamza, it's a. تسألون عما كانوا يعملون ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون. Okay, next ayah. This is ayah number 135 now. وَقَالُوا كُونُوا. Kaf with a waw, doesn't have anything, it means it's sukoon. So, كُونُوا. وَقَالُوا كُونُوا هُودًا. One waw, two waw, three waws. What do they all do? Extend the letter. Kunuhu. As opposed to kunudu. Kunuhu. You see, if it was no waw, it would be kunuhu. Kunuhu. All of them just extend. This is a really good setup here to show you what a dhamma followed by waw extending what it looks like. وَقَالُوا كُونُوا هُودًا. Okay, so moving on. هُودًا, dan, أو نصارى. So this one long alif over sad, one over ra. Okay. تهتدوا أو نصارى تهتدوا. قل بل millata millata. That's an easy one. Millata Ibrahim. Because the ba has qalqala. Ra. This is a ra. We didn't cover this too much. It's not really the place to do so, but ra is either full mouth or small. They call it just like a full mouth or a short mouth or whatever you call it, light. So it's either ibra or ibra. So there are times that it's ibra, and there's times that it's ra, like a regular sounding without a full mouth. So like sa, ba, va, those are all full mouth letters. So millata Ibrahim. As long as you just say Ibrahim, you see that? Ibrahim, like that. So millata Ibrahim Hanifa. This is a ha, this is a ha. Looks the same, right? But this is a Hanifa, ha. This is a ha. Ibrahim Hanifa. Now, if you stop, say Hanifa, like that. If you stop. Hanifa. If you're going to continue, it will join with this waw. Hanifan wa ma kana, like that, okay? Wa ma kana minal. We've done this a lot of times, right? You have the minal, this alif drops, goes straight to the lam. Minal mushrikin. The ya extends the kaf. Minal mushrikin. وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ. We'll stop there inshallah. We'll see you next time. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.